upbeat report on the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index in the United States and the US jobless claims data had a minor impact on the American dollar. The number of Americans who applied for unemployment benefits for the first time amounted to 208,000 people in a week ended September 14. It was slightly less than expected. The US Department of Labor reported that a decline in the manufacturing activity due to the US-China trade conflict did not affect the jobs market and companies continued to hire new employers. The report on existing home sales also provided upbeat results. In August, the sales of existing real estate items hit the highest level since March last year, which is a sign of strong consumer sentiment. Besides, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index rose to 12 points, exceeding the expected reading of 10.5 points. Meanwhile, the Fed Reserve provided ambiguous clues on the further monetary policy stance yesterday, which created uncertainty on the market. Traders are reluctant to buy the American currency. Amid that, the Canadian dollar extended gains and hit the session's high near 1.3270, 32.65. A rise in oil prices provided additional support to the loonie, which made the USD CAD pair retreat from the two-week highs. Today, oil prices grew by 2% on the back of concerns about a possible disruption in supplies from Saudi Arabia. Reportedly, Saudis plan to buy crude oil from other producers, which raised doubts about the country's ability to solve the output problems. Besides, markets are trying to assess whether the kingdom will manage to keep up with the previous pace of extraction after the key oil fields of Saudi Arabia were attacked. That's all for today. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel tomorrow.